Go.
Hi everyone, today we'll be unboxing Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm Trio. This package has 3 colors. It has vanilla, vanilla beige, and brown sugar. And this is the packaging. And it just talks a little bit about it, about how hydrating it is. I've been wanting to try this for a long time. Here are the ingredients. Let's open it. If I can get to open it. So it looks like this. It comes in a pink box. Looks like it's metal type. It's really nice, really cute packaging. Open it. Here are the 3 colors. This one's brown sugar, vanilla beige, vanilla. Very cute. And I like this one because this one has, it has this little thing that you can put directly on your lips, and you don't have to put it on your finger like the last one. So they changed the tip of it, the application tip, which is really nice, and now you don't have to like touch it with your fingers. And so I'm really excited for this one. So this one's a vanilla one. This one is the vanilla beige, and this one is the brown sugar. And they look just like this. This one, this one's a little tinted, so is this one, and I believe this is the same one they had before. So this one's just a clear one. I think that is it. I'm really excited to try these. And here, this is how they look like.